My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Grade 2. Let's start our today's lesson. Our today's lesson, grade 2, is lesson number 4 in chapter 13. Read and interpret bar graphs. Okay, we have now this tally chart. We know that this is called tally chart. Favorite sport. Some students choose baseball as a favorite sport. Some choose basketball, and some choose soccer. Can you see this? This is called the bar graph. Bar graph. How many choose baseball grade 2? 6 students choose baseball. This is a group of 5. Don't forget, this is a group of 5. 5 and 1 equals 6. So here 6. 6 choose baseball. Okay, so here we have a bar from 0 to 6. This bar for the students who choose baseball. So can you see the end of this bar at 6? It means that 6 students choose baseball. How many choose basketball? 5. So we have a bar from 0 to 5. The end point exactly at 5. So here 5, it means that 5 students choose basketball. How many choose soccer? 7 students choose soccer. Can you see here? We have 7 tallies. And in this bar graph, we have a bar from 0 to 7. It means that 7 students choose soccer. Now, please turn the page and move to the next page. Okay, here grade 2, we have this bar graph. Here number of students, and this bar graph is about favorite television show type. Some students choose news, some choose sports, some choose animals, and some choose cartoons. How many choose news? 1. So here we have this bar, this short bar from 0 to 1, because only one choose news. How many choose sports? Where is the end point? This. Now, how many choose sports? It's 5. Can you see the end point at 5? Okay, beside 5, it means that 5 students choose sports. How many choose animals as a favorite television show? Let's look at the end point of this bar, of this yellow bar. The end point at 7, it means that 7 students choose animals. How many choose cartoons? It's 9, because the end point at 9. Now you can easily answer these questions. How many students choose animals? 7 animals. This is the bar of animals. It's at 7. The end point at 7. It means 7 choose animals. Which show type is the most favorite? To get the most favorite, look at the longest bar. The longest bar. Where is the longest bar? This purple one. This. It means that cartoons is the most favorite show. Now let's answer the next question. We have now this bar graph. Favorite rainy day activity. Painting. Some students choose painting as a favorite activity. Some choose computer. Some choose reading, and some choose games. How many students choose computer? It's pretty easy. I'll choose Omar Islam to answer it. Hello, Omar. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Omar, how many students choose computer? Where is the bar of computer? This is computer, and this bar, yes, this bar for the students who choose computer. The end point at 8, so 8 students choose computer. Can you see the end point at 8? Means that 8 students choose computer. Let's write here 8. Omar, you are super boy. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, my dear students, who can answer the next question? Which activity is the least favorite? The least means the smallest number of students choose this. How many? What's the smallest number? I'll choose Muayyad. Hello, Muayyad. How are you?
Hi, Mister.
Muayyad, which activity is the least favorite?
Reading.
Reading, yes, because only 3 choose reading. The least number of students, yes, choose reading. And the shortest bar is the bar of reading, this yellow bar. It means that reading is the least favorite activity. So let's write here reading. Thank you. You are super boy مؤيد. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, my dear students, let's answer the next question. Let's move now to the next page to answer the next question. Okay. Now, let's study the next bar graph. Okay, page 633, question number 2.
Mister, can I go to bathroom?
Okay, quickly, go and come quickly. Why do you love Ahmed Al-Asiri?
بحث نجي بتقول يا ابني الجد بص انا تحت الكلام.
Okay, now my dear students, okay, don't speak for now, Ahmed, please, and be attention with me. Now, my dear students, we have this bar graph. This is also bar graph, okay? Can you see here a favorite meal of the day? Some students choose breakfast as a favorite meal, some choose lunch, some choose dinner, and some choose snack. How many students choose breakfast? How many choose breakfast? I'll choose now the super one whose name is Adam Muhammad Atiya. Adam, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Adam, how many students choose breakfast?
How many students choose breakfast? 7.
7. Yes, this is the bar of the breakfast. This red bar. The end point of this red bar at 7. It means that 7 students choose breakfast. Excellent, thank you. Let's write here 7. Okay, that's right.
I love you.
I love you too. Thank you, Adam. Now, who's ready to answer the next question? Which meal is the most favorite? The most favorite. Which one is the most favorite? Let's find who can answer the question. Okay. Which meal is the most favorite? I'll choose now the super one whose name is Tayyim. Hello, Tayyim. How are you? Tayyim Radwan, how are you? Tayyim, which meal is the most favorite? The most favorite meal?
Dinner.
Yes, can you see the longest bar is the bar of the students who choose dinner. So let's write here dinner. Thank you, excellent boy, bye. Now let's answer the next one. How many students choose the meal that's least favorite? Which meal is the least favorite grade 2? The least favorite meal. I'll choose Mazin to say, Mazin, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Mazin, which meal is the least? The least favorite. What's the least favorite fruit? The meal that's the least favorite. What's the least favorite meal?
Lunch.
Yes, lunch. How many choose lunch? How many students choose lunch?
4.
4. So let's write here 4. That's right. The excellent boy. Thank you. Bye, Mazin. Now I'll choose Omar Haytham to answer the next one. Omar, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Omar, how many more students choose snake than lunch? How many more means a plus or minus?
How more?
How many more?
Minus.
How many more minus? How many more minus? How many fewer minus? How much shorter minus? How much longer minus? How much farther minus? Left minus, rest minus, cut off minus. All of this means minus. How many more means minus? So let's make minus. What number minus what number?
4 minus 6.
Snake then lunch. How many choose snake? 6. minus lunch 4. It's 6 minus 4. So let's write here 6 minus 4 equals what number?
Equals 2.
Equals 2. So the answer equals 2. Thank you, Omar. Bye. Now I will choose Mahmoud Ayman to answer the next question. Mahmoud, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Mahmoud, in question number 3, we want to order the meals in exercise 2 here. We wanted to order these meals from the least favorite to the most favorite. Okay? Can you order it from the least favorite to the most favorite? Which one is the least?
Lunch.
Lunch. So lunch is number 1. What's after lunch?
Snack.
Yes. Yes. Snack is number 2. What's number 3? It's breakfast. Yes. What's number 4?
Dinner.
Dinner. Yes. You can write it grade 2 here. Write it here. Write lunch. After that, snack. After that, write breakfast. Then write dinner. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, my dear students, please let's move to the next lesson. Open with me page 637. Page 637. Okay, write these numbers now. After we finish, you can write the words. Okay, now move with me to lesson number 5 in chapter 3. It's page 637. 637. In this lesson, grade 2, this lesson is about make bar graphs. Make bar graphs. We know what's bar graphs and how can we answer the questions about bar graphs. And we understand what's bar graphs. In this lesson, we wanted to draw bar graphs. Drawing bar graphs. Okay, turn the page, please. Turn the page. Move to page 638. Can you see this exercise, this example? Trees in bark, pine, birch, oak, maple. Okay, how many pine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. So here we draw a bar from 0 to 5. From 0 to 5, like this. How many birch? It's 2. So here draw a bar from 0 to 2. Okay, oak, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4. So we drew a bar from 0 to 4 by this way. Okay, you can shade this rectangle to make the bar. Okay, how many choose maple? It's 8. So here we drew a bar from 0 to 8 by this way. Okay, then you can answer this question: which tree type is the most common? Actually, it's maple, because the longest bar is the bar of maple. This, the longest bar. How many more pine trees are there than oak trees? How many more means minus, so you can subtract, okay, to get it. Now let's answer the next question. Question number 1. We have this tally chart and we want to draw a bar graph. Favorite book type. Some students choose history, some choose fiction, some students choose science, and some students choose poetry as a favorite book type. How many choose history? Who can help me to make a picture graph? I'll choose Dari. Hello Dari, how are you? Hello Dari. Hello Dari.
Hello, Mr.
Dari, can you see this tally chart? How many students choose history? How many choose history?
3.
3, that's right. So let's draw a bar from 0 to 3 by this way. From 0 to 3 by this one. Okay, you can shade 3 rectangles to draw the bar grade 2. You can easily make a bar like this by shading this. Shade 3 rectangles. How many choose fiction, Dari? This is fiction. How many choose fiction?
7.
7, yes. So let's draw a bar from 0 to 7, like this. Okay. How many choose science?
5.
5. So let's draw a bar from 0 to 5, like this one. Now, how many choose poetry? 6. So let's draw a bar from 0 to 6. Okay. Yes, the end point must be at 6, like this. Now, my dear students, let's answer the first question. Thank you, Dari. Bye.
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 Star.
Yes.
Second one, it is not 6, it is 7.
Fiction
Second
is, yes, fiction is 7. That's right. Very good. So let's, okay. Okay.
You put 6.
Yes, yes, yes,
It
that's
is
right. So let's complete this to 7, like this. Yes, excellent. Thank you. You are excellent boy. Now let's answer this. Which book type is the least favorite? The least favorite. Which one is the least favorite? To get the least favorite, look at the shortest bar. I'll choose now the super one whose name is Abdurrahman Omar. Hello, Abdurrahman. How are you?
fine, thank you.
Abdurrahman, which book type is the least favorite?
History.
History, yes. So let's write here history. Excellent. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, my dear students, let's answer the next one. How many more students choose fiction than history? How many more means plus or minus? Let's choose Adam Khalid. Hello, Adam. How are you? Hello, Adam.
Yes, mister.
Adam, how many more means plus or minus?
Plus.
How many more? No. How many more means minus? How many more minus? How many fewer minus? How many more minus? How many more students choose fiction than history? Fiction than history. What number minus what number? This is the bar of the students who choose fiction.
6. 7 minus 3.
Yes, it's 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 equals what number?
4.
4, yes. So here, let's write 4. Thank you. Be attention, be attention, Adam, please, that how many more means minus. How many fewer also means minus. Now, let's answer the next question. I'll clear this, and let's move now to question number 2. Grade 2, move to question number 2. Let's move now to page 639 and question number 2. We have the tally chart grade 1 trail. Next piece is peanuts. Here, peanuts. How many pieces of peanuts? It's 5 and 4 more. 5 and 4 equals what number? It's 9. How many raisins? It's 6. How many almonds? It's 7. How many how many pieces of dried fruit? It's 4. So let's draw now the bar graph. I'll choose one of you to help me. Let's choose Ahmed Daha. Hello, Ahmed. How are you?
Yes, mister.
Hello, Ahmed. Ahmed, how many choose peanuts? Peanuts. How many choose peanuts?
9.
Peanuts 9. So let's draw a bar from 0 to 9. Okay. Draw a bar from 0 to 9. How many choose raisins? Raisins.
6.
6. So let's draw a bar from 0 to 6. Yes. How many choose almonds? 7. So let's draw a bar from 0 to 7. How many choose how many pieces of dried fruit? How many pieces of dried fruit?
4.
4, yes. Yes, here 4 pieces of dried fruit. Okay, thank you, Ahmed Daha. Excellent boy. Bye. Now, who can answer the first question? I choose Ahmed El Asedi. Ahmed, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ahmed, how many raisins are there? How many raisins?
How many raisins?
Yes. Raisins. This is raisins. This is the bar of raisins. How many raisins?
6.
6. Yes. So let's write here 6. Okay, Ahmed. Thank you. Bye. Now let's choose another one to answer the next question. I choose. Let's choose Omar Abu Hilal. Hello, Omar. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Omar, how many more almonds are there than dried fruit? How many more means plus or minus?
Minus 7
Minus.
minus 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3.
Yes, very good. We have 7 pieces of almonds and 4 pieces of dried fruit. It's 7 minus 4. Yes, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Let's write here 3. Thank you. Excellent. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, my dear students, please all of you write this. I'll clear. And let's move now to the next lesson. Open page 643. Page 643. Lesson number 4 in chapter 13. Read and interpret bar graphs. Okay. No, it's lesson number 6 now. Lesson number 6, yes, it's page 643. Lesson number 6, grade 2. Okay, this. Make line plots. Make line plots. Pay attention, please, grade 2, to understand this lesson. Make line plots. Can you see here? Thumb lengths here. Thumb 1 4 centimeters. Thumb 2 5 centimeters. Thumb 3 3 centimeters. Thumb 4 4 centimeters. Thumb 5 6 centimeters. Thumb 6 5 centimeters. Thumb 7 4 centimeters. Okay. Now, can you see this line? This is numbered line. Okay. This is numbered line, and this is called the plots. This is called the plots. How can we put these plots? Here, this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. Okay. Pay attention here. This one means 1 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Okay. Now, thumb 1 4 centimeters. So let's put a plot above 4 here. Put a plot. Okay. Thumb 2 5 centimeters. So let's put a plot above 2, like this. Thumb 3 centimeters. So put a plot here. Thumb 4 4 centimeters. So this is 4, and put a plot here. Okay, put another one here. Thumb 4 4 centimeters. Where is 4? Put another plot here. Thumb 5 6 centimeters. So put a plot here. Thumb 6 5 centimeters. So put a plot here. Make a plot here. Thumb 7 thumb 7 4 centimeters. Okay. Okay, so we must make thumb 7 is 4 centimeters, so we must put a plot here above 4. Now, my dear students, let's move to the next page, please. Okay, move with me to the next page. If you don't understand, you'll understand from the next example. Okay, let's answer this. Can you see here? We want to complete the line plot. Okay, number of inches, here number of inches, and here long jump length by inches, long jump length by inches. Child 1, the jump of child 1 equals 41 inches. Okay, the jump of child 2 44 inches, child 3 43 inches, child 4 41 inches, child 5 45 inches. Okay, child 1 41 inches. So let's go to 45. Where is 45? 41, sorry, 41. Let's go to 41. This is 41 and make a plot like this. Okay, child 1 41 inches, the jump of child 1 41 inches. So go to 41 and make a plot. Child 2 44 inches, so go to 44 inches and make a plot like this. Okay, what about child 3? Child 3 43 inches, so go to 43 and make a plot like this. Okay, child 4 41 inches, so go to 41 and make a plot like this. Can you see? 41, so make here a plot. Child 5 45 inches, so where is 45 inches? This is 45 inches, and so make here a plot. Okay, this is called grade 2 line plots. This is line plots. How many long jumps are 43 inches long? 43, 43. Where is 43? This is 43. How many long jumps are 43? How many plots here? It's 1. So write here 1. Okay. Now let's answer the next question. What's the most common long jump length? How many inches? The most common. I'll choose one of you to answer it, to answer this question. I'll choose Tamim Saad. Hello Tamim, how are you? Hello Tamim. Okay, let's choose Muhammad Khalid. Hello Muhammad, how are you?
Thank you.
Muhammad, what's the most common long jump length? The most common, the most. Which one is the most? 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, or 45?
41.
41, yes. Here, the most common is 41 because two child are 41. Their jump equals 41. So yes, so here the most common long jump length is 41. Let's write here 41. Thank you, Muhammad. Excellent. Bye.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye. Now, my dear students, before moving to the next page, I'll explain this again. Here, child 1, the jump of child 1 equals 41 inches. So we make a plot above 41. Child 2, the jump of child 2 equals 44 inches. So we make a plot above 44. Child 3, 43. So we make a plot above 43. Child 4, 41. So we make a plot above 41. Child 5, 45. So we make a plot above 45. Now you can easily answer these questions. Okay. Now let's move to the next page to answer question number 2. Page 645 and question number 2. In question number 2, we have this data. and we wanted to make this line plots. We wanted to draw line. We wanted to complete this line plot. Okay. Poppy length inches by inches. Poppy 1 equals 11 inches. Okay, the length of Poppy 1 11 inches. Poppy 2 9 inches, and so on. Okay, let's complete now this line plot. Okay, let's take it step by step. What about Bobby 1? Bobby 1 11 inches. So let's go to 11 and make a plot like this. Okay, Bobby 2 equals 9 inches. So let's make a plot above 9. Bobby 3 10 inches. So let's make a plot above 10. What about Bobby 4? Bobby 4 12. So let's make a plot above 4. Okay. Now Bobby 5 9. So make another plot above 5 like this. Bobby 6 10 inches. So let's make a plot above 10. Okay. Bobby 7 10 inches. So let's put another plot above 10. What about the last one? Bobby 8, it's 8 inches. So let's make a plot above 8. Okay. If you count this plots grade 2, it must equals this number 8. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let's answer the first question. What's the most common Bobby length? The most common. How many inches is the most common? I'll choose Abdelaziz Al-Qannas. Abdelaziz, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Abdelaziz, what's the most common Bobby length? The most common. 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12? The most common.
10.
10, yes, because here 3, it's the most common. So let's write here 10. That's right. Excellent boy. Bye, Abdelaziz. Now let's answer the next question. How many fewer bobbies are 11 inches long than 10 inches long? How many fewer means plus or minus? Actually, it's minus what number? Minus what number? Let's choose. I'll choose now Omar Islam. Hello, Omar.
Yes, mister.
Omar, how many fewer means plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. What number? Minus what number?
11 minus.
No, not 11 minus 10. No. How many fewer bobbies are 11 inches than 10 inches? How many bobbies are 11 inches?
3 minus
11. Yes, 3 minus 1.
1.
Yes, 3 minus 1,
Equal
not 11 minus 3 minus 1. Yes, 3 minus 1 equals 2. That's right. Very good. Thank you. Bye. Now we can answer the next question. How many bobbies are 8 or 9 inches long? Here plus or minus. 8 or 9. Who remember this? 8 or 9 means plus or minus. I'll choose Omar Haytham. Hello Omar, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Omar, here plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. I said to you, if you find or make plus. What number plus what number?
1 plus 2.
Excellent boy. The baby boys say it's 9 plus 8. No. No. The number of bobbies, that's 8 inches. That's 8 inches length plus the number of the bobbies, that's 9 inches long. Okay. So it's here 2 minus 1. Okay.
Plus
2 plus 1, yes, excellent. 2 plus 1 equals what?
3.
Excellent boy. That's right. Thank you, Omar. Bye. Let's write here 3. And let's answer quickly the next question. We don't have time. How many bobbies are shorter than 11 inches? This is 11 inches. Shorter than 11 means 10, 9, or 8. How many bobbies are 10 inches long? 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. So here let's write 6. Now, my dear students, at the end of our today's session, I wish all of you understand this lesson is grade 2. Thanks all of you and see you tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.
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 Bye.